All right. Okay. I've turned on the recording. So thank you very much for joining this morning. We shall be heading straight away to live trading. Like I told us before, I will show us again how to fund, then we will trade together. So I think I will unmute everybody. So everybody will be unmuted so that if you have question, you can easily ask. But please ensure that your background is not noisy. All right, before you unmute yourself. All right. So let's go straight away. So first of all, we'll start by okay, I will share my screen now. I will share my screen. Then we will go into funding. I will start by funding the account. After funding, then we'll now go to trading. All right. All right. Okay. I believe by now we all have already made up our mind on the stock to buy. Anyway, we'll do that together. We'll do that together. Okay, let me share my screen. Dr. Chibike, you're welcome. He came at the right time. Hey. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen now. Please, can we all hear me? Can we hear me? Can we hear me?
Yes, sir.
Please don't type. Talk. Okay, talk, please. I've unmuted everybody, so you are free to talk. Can we hear me now?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So let me share my screen so that we'll move straight to we'll move straight to buying of stock. So I believe you can see my screen, right?
Yes,
can you see my screen?
Sir.
All right. So this is my Afrinvestor 2.0 app. So I will click on funding. So for now, I want to fund just 10,000 naira. So I'll click on continue. I want to fund using bank transfer. So they will bring out an account for me. So I will just tap on copy the account. Then I will go to my OPay. All right. I will go to my OPay. Then I will paste in the account. Money points. You can see that Afrinvest appears. So I will type in the amount, 10,000 naira. Confirm. All right. So okay, successful. So I will come back to my Afrinvestor 2.0 transfer done. Okay. Transfer done. So it will reflect. Let me check my wallet. Okay, it has reflected. Let me so that you will see. Okay, so I have I funded 10,000 naira. I have 2,000 naira before, so that is 12,000 naira. So I have 12,000 naira, 12,122.70 to trade. All right. So after that, since our money has reflected, we will now go to, okay, this is my portfolio. No, you go back to home. You can see stock here, you can see stock, commercial paper, treasury bills. Our next class will be on treasury bills, okay? it's like I will record the video on treasury bills so that you can always revisit. And also, I also talk about commercial papers. But now, I want to invest in stocks, so I will click on stocks. Please, I want us to unmute ourselves. Which stock should we buy? Which stock should we buy? Can we hear me? Can we hear me? Hey, can we still hear me? Ah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we should be talking now. I want to. Can we hear me now? Can we hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Let me share screen again. It's like network kicked me out. So let's go back. So which stock should we buy? From what we posted in the group chat on stocks to buy. Okay, I think I want to buy Jay's Bank. Jay's Bank has been doing wonderfully well. Let me top up on my Jay's Bank. So I bet it can also be buying, all right. As we are going now, you can choose the one that you will buy. Should I buy Regalins? No, Omatech that broke my heart. Although they're bouncing back now. Where is Jay's Bank? A B C D E F G H. Okay, this is. So the first stock I'll be buying this morning is Jay's Bank. Jay's Bank is already on a high price. I bought it last year, and can we still hear me? Sorry for I don't know why both MTN and Glo are just misbehaving. I'll be switching from one network to the other, but we'll be fast. So can we see hear me? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we can see us.
So all right, we'll be buying Jay's Bank right now. So you can see the opening price is okay. The current price is 5.49. So I will click on buy more because I've already had it before. Okay. So I already have 4,500 shares in Jay's Bank. So I want to top it up to, let's say, let me make it up to 6,000 shares. All right. So I will add 15 shares of Jay's Bank. I will not be buying using market order because I want to save cost. So the limit price, I will put the current price now. So 5.49. Then unit 1,500. Please, if you have any question, you can be asking so that we can be doing everything together. So I will now click on buy Jay's. Okay. So everything called with wow. 8,000. Wow. Glow has come to our rescue. Sorry for that interruption. Sorry. I'm very, very sorry for that. So we'll be buying. I will click on buy now. So it may take a few minutes to complete your order. So I'll click on done. So if I want to check if it has been executed, look at this place that there is notification at the top right corner. I will click on it. Where we have Cs, I will click on it. You can see you have initiated a limit buy order for Jez. So I will click on it. So it's showing executing. So if I want to cancel, I will click on cancel.
I'm not seeing your screen.
You can't see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me cancel and start from beginning again. Sorry for that.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry for that. Okay. Share screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. It's on now, sir.
All right. So let me go back. I've cancelled. Oh, I bought a Jazz Band before. So, okay, I've cancelled it. So let me go back again so that we will see how I did it. So I'll click on invest. Click on Nigerian stock. So I said that I want to buy Jazz Bank. So I will click on Jazz. Even though it's very high now. Remember, the best time to buy is when it is low. Jesus. Just now. I saw 5.49. Now it has jumped to 5.70. If I had known, I would have bought it then. No. Oh, just within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes now, I've missed out. Anyway, let's still continue. Let's buy Jazz Bank. So I already have 4,500 shares in it. Please, I will be using market order. Remember what? Sorry, I will be using limit order because I want to save cost. So I will also put good for the day. You can put anyone you want. So limit price. Let me use the current price now. 5.70. So how many units should I buy? It has increased now. I wanted to buy 1.5 before, but it's like I will reduce it now so that I will buy more stocks from other companies. So let me buy 1,000 units. I have 4,500 already. So I will click on buy. So you can see that everything will cost me 5,808. So I will click on buy now. Okay. It may take a few minutes to complete your order. You click on done. So if you want to know whether it has been executed, look at the top, my top right corner. Can you see that where there is notification button that has 6 on top? So I'll click there. Once I click there, you can see what they said. You have initiated a limit buy order for Jazz Bank. So I will click there to see. Okay, thank God, executed. I've bought it. So you can see that executed. Yes. Proud investor. So I have bought Jazz Bank for $5.70 kobo, even though it's very, very, to me now, it's very high for me now, but I just have to. So that is that. All these are the stocks I have bought for the past. You can see that I have been investing those since April 17. Some of them I bought them at a very cheap price. Now they are risen. So let's go and buy another one. Let me go and look for another stock that is so which one else do you want us to buy, guys? Which one are we buying? Are you buying in your account now?
Access call.
Which one are you buying? Access. Okay, let's go and buy Access. ASAP. Yes, Access is, I think is good to buy. It has risen too, but okay. Let's buy Access. Can you imagine? Please, Access is on the rise. Oh, hey, it's like they want to take us to the moon. As of yesterday, as of last, on Monday it was on 20 naira. Now it has entered 23. This morning itself, it's open at 22 naira 90 kobo, but now it's already on 23 naira. So it's like I use all my remaining fund to buy Access. So I'm very poor in Access. So let me top up more. So now since it's in 20 naira, remember again, we'll put market order, we'll put goods for the day, limit price. Currently the price is 23.05. Now you can also choose to put your price at a lower price. You may say, okay, no, let me leave it. When it falls down to maybe 20 naira or 19 naira, buy for me. But me, I want to buy at this price because I don't know what will happen. It may rise tomorrow. It may fall a little bit tomorrow. So let me just buy at this price. So how many units should I buy now? Let me buy, since it's 20 naira, 100 units will be 2,000. 300 units will be 100 units will be 2,000, right? 200 units will be 4,000. So let me put 200 units. Oh, no. Sorry. This is the price. 23.05. All right. How many units do I want to buy? Let me just buy 200 units. Okay. This 100 units will cost 4,600. Okay, 4,698.42. So I'll click on buy now. Wait a moment. It will take a few minutes to complete. I'll click on done. Remember, I will check notification. Click there to see if you can see the buy. You have initiated a limit buy order for Access Corp. So you click on it. Okay, just wait a moment. We're updating your executing. Are you seeing that? Access Corp executing. So let's wait. In case you made a mistake and you want to cancel, you can click on cancel. All right. Once you click on cancel, everything will just cancel ASAP. All right. So it's still booked in. I think I still have small phone left. Let me use this small phone now to look for another one to buy to top up. Let me check my portfolio. All right, which one should I top up now? CWG. Okay, let me buy. Which one should I buy again? Omatech has been breaking my heart, but they're coming back. Okay. I'm still losing in Omatech, but I think I should buy more since it is reviving. Okay, I have just 1,600 naira left. So let me buy Omatech. Market order, no. Let me use limit order. Good for the day. Price, currently it is in 1.25. So 1.25. So let me check. How much will I buy now? Let me buy 1,500 units of Omatech. Insufficient balance. Sorry. If I tell me on time, I say one yab me. Huh? Okay, limit order. Good for the day. 1.25. 1,400. Let me check if it was a good. It's official again. $1.25. Okay, let me just buy 1,000 units. Okay, this 1,000 units is total of 1,276. So let me increase it to 1,500. 150. Let me check 1. Okay. 110. Okay. I want to finish all my money there. 130. Okay. 150. Okay. 190. Okay. 200. All right. Let me buy 1,200 units of Omatech. So done. I will go back to my notification. All right. Let me check my Access Bank to know if. Okay, Access Bank. Thank God, executed. Access Bank has been executed. Omatech booked in. You can see it as shown. Omatech executing. So, guys, that is how to buy stocks using Afrinvestor 2.0. This is our live trading section. So it is still executing. Before you know it, it will be executed. But if I say no, I don't feel like buying Omatech again. Let me buy another one. I can just cancel it and everything will cancel. All right. Please, any question? Let me take question. Any question? If you have question, you can ask, please. Okay. Favor, you have question. You can ask. Please, any question? 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 No question. Okay. How many of us bought? If you bought, can you signify? If you bought any stock, can you signify?
I did, but it has not executed yet.
Okay. It has not executed. Which one did you buy?
The Jazz Bank and Access.
Okay, James Bank and Access. That's nice. Wonderful investor, smart investor. Chibike, did you buy? Abi, you already have. Can this doctor hear me? Okay, Primax, what about you? Did you buy? Wait, are they still with me here? It's like they're no longer with me. All right. Please, any other question? Can we call it a day now? Any question? Any question?
Please, I have a question. Can you hear me? I get question.
I don't know if I think you just hold on. His network is